Your kidney filters 150 liters of blood every single day. But here is the most scary part. Most people are slowly damaging their kidney without knowing it. Too much salt, too much sugar, too little water. Before you buy expensive detox, let me show you a powerful everyday spices that you can get easily, very cheap, that support your kidney health naturally. The feed spices might already be in your kitchen. This is the Lab Doctors channel. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share and comment. Kindly do not forget to hit on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video, you'll be notified. Before we talk about these spices, let's talk about the miraculous work kidney does in your system. Your kidneys are part of the most powerful organs in your body. They are vital organs that filters a cup of blood every single minute. They are responsible for removing waste products such as urea, creatinine, and also remove excess water to produce urine, maintaining overall homeostasis. By so doing, your kidney regulates your blood pressure. Okay, it balances fluid and also electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and calcium. When your kidneys are overloaded with processed food, salt, sugar, and with little water, which is dehydration, your kidneys struggle. They struggle to function effectively or properly. And the most scariest part, you start to see signs and symptoms when your kidneys are almost damaged. Today, I'm showing you 7 natural spices that support your kidney function. Not only that, it also helps reduce inflammation, 2 in 1. Let's get right into it. Did you know that inflammation is one of the biggest contributors to kidney stress? Don't worry, we got the remedy. Let's talk about turmeric. To those who do not know turmeric, this is what we call turmeric, okay? You can get them in spicy shops or African shops or markets, okay? Turmeric contains curcumin. Let's get to know what curcumin does. It helps reduce inflammation, one of the biggest contributors to kidney stress. It also helps to reduce oxidative stress and support overall kidney health. This is how to prepare your turmeric tea for effective kidney support. We don't just give you the solution, we teach you how to use it effectively. So just get a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, put it in a warm water, let it settle for 5 to 10 minutes. Your turmeric tea is ready. You see, on this platform, what is so peculiar about this platform is that I don't just show you things, I show you things that I practice. And this is my all-time favorite, ginger tea. Before we get into what ginger tea does to your system, let's get to know how to prepare your ginger tea. Okay, it is very simple. Just boil a slice of ginger in warm water for 10 minutes. Okay, allow it to settle, or better still, you can add a little honey to enhance its flavor, especially when you're finding it difficult to take it raw. Okay, your ginger tea is ready. It improves on your circulation and support your detox pathway. You know that naturally your body has a detox pathway, which your liver is the main engineer. So what ginger tea does is that it supports your natural detox pathway to function properly and also helps to remove toxins from your system. Not only that, ginger tea also helps reduce inflammation. These are the general health support that ginger tea provides to your kidneys. Let's talk about the third spices. With this one, you don't have to sleep on it. Let's talk about parsley. Parsley is a natural diuretic that supports urine flow. Not only that, it also helps reduce water retention. You know that when your kidney is damaged or is not functioning properly, one of the things it does is to retain sodium and water. The more reason why people with kidney failure or kidney damage have swollen feet. This is how to make your parsley tea. Just get fresh parsley and put it in the warm water for 5 to 7 minutes. Your parsley tea is ready. Very effective and support your kidney function. Oh my God, today I'm just revealing my secret and I don't know why. I guess it's because I love you so much. Let's talk about cinnamon, and this is mine right here. Let's get to know the health benefit of cinnamon and how it supports your kidney health. This is mine, very organic, no additive. I prepare it myself. This is a powdered cinnamon, you can see. right? Let's get right into it. So cinnamon supports your blood sugar. It helps balance your blood sugar level, okay? By so doing, it helps reduce kidney stress that is linked to high glucose. So with this, when you have high glucose level and you are looking for organic spices to balance your glucose level, look no elsewhere. This is your solution. By so doing, as you balance your glucose level, you are supporting your kidney, reduce stress, and many more. How then do you prepare your cinnamon tea? Very simple. Get a powdered cinnamon, get your warm water, and put 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder in your warm water. Let it settle down for 5 minutes. You have your cinnamon tea. Not just tea, a tea that will support your kidney function. And spices, you are so sure it will help balance your glucose level. Let's talk about the powerhouse of all spices that support your kidney health. I mean garlic. Yes, let's see the health support garlic gives to your kidneys. So garlic supports your blood pressure level, and so if you're having high blood pressure, look no elsewhere. Go in for garlic in your kitchen. Not only that, it also has an anti-inflammatory properties that helps to reduce inflammation. And then the overall boss, it protects your kidney cells. Specifically, it protects your kidney cells. This is how to prepare your garlic water, okay? Get 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, okay? Slice them into pieces, small pieces, Get a warm water. Put this sliced garlic in your warm water and let it settle for 5 to 10 minutes. Your garlic water is ready. Remember, your everyday activities has 2 impacts on your health. That is the negative side and the positive side. Okay, so it is very great, or it will be very good on your side to provide an everyday habit that will support your kidney health, because your kidneys are part of the powerful organs in your health. These 5 spices are spices that are with us every single day. They are cheap to get, they are affordable, and they can be found in our kitchen. These spices I've spoken about are spices that support your kidney health. It does not replace medication. And so if you're having a kidney failure, a kidney damage, or a severe kidney condition, do not replace your medications with the spices I've spoke about. Okay, you can seek an advice from your doctor before taking these spices. This is the Lab Doctors channel. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share, and comment. Do not forget to hit on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video, you'll be notified. Till we meet again. Bye-bye.